This is a multi-probe manipulator system, and it's specifically configured today for the Neuroscience probe, for the A32 probe. What I thought I'd do is go through first the mechanical arrangement, and then the electrical, and then talk about the software control. And this is the A32 probe with an adapter. And we've taken those standard parts from Neuroscience and we've mounted them to a frame where there's a rod that connects to our moving stages. This is the 3-axis motorized system that I was just showing the joystick on. And then this is the 4-axis manual system.
Okay.
So this provides 4 degrees of freedom. Mm-hmm. It provides a rotational degree of freedom with an adjustable and repeatable stop, a length degree of freedom where you can change the length. There's a vertical degree of freedom with an adjustable stop. And we also have a polar degree of freedom where we can change the polar axis. And you can see this rotation is around a common center. And the motivation here is to be able to do this and this and have access to the probe to do your adjustments. Repeat the angle, repeat the vertical, lock it in place. So here's the probe. This is our 3-axis motorized stage system. So you can see there's an axis along the approach, parallel to the probe. Then there's 2 axes that are orthogonal to the probe. These stages are all-in-one stages, so they have embedded inside position feedback and the driving control electronics. And so for each stage, there's 15 millimeters of travel and 0.5 micron resolution. So you can command any sequence of movements that you like with 0.5 micron resolution. They're also absolute encoded stages. So if you come to a position and you want to turn off the power, you can turn back on the power, you know exactly where you are. You don't have to rehome the system. This is just a regular laptop from Neuroscience, and we've loaded a new scale program, an application, where this actually can control up to 5 manipulators. So up to 15 axes of control, all from one screen. You can operate this from push a mouse, so you could go and you could click on any of these controls and you could individually control a stage. Mm-hmm. Or we have this just a standard Logitech joystick that we've programmed with a series of commands, and these are actually the commands here, to allow joystick control. Okay. But it actually, anybody who wanted to program a device could do that, because this is just a USB control. Okay. It always keeps track of the coordinates here. And you can choose coarse and fine. You can come in and set up your own defaults, your own settings, and remember them. So everyone has a different kind of preference and feel for the user interface. So this joystick is completely programmable.